Okay, since everything is wired completely illogically and backwards, I'm going to explain it to myself in the future. The kill switch, on is off and off is on. Both green wires with a black stripe that go to a solid red wire and a solid red wire with a white electrical tape. The brown wire with the green electrical tape is power, and the solid brown wire is ground. Go figure. The red wire with blue electrical tape is the running light for the brake, the running brake light, which is also a brown wire to the handlebar. The handlebar wire that's white with a red stripe is powered from the brown wire with the green stripe. You have the horn powered also by the brown with the green stripe, and the teal goes to the handlebar. Then some other ones that I just didn't use from the handlebars were the turn signals, and this green wire, and this white wire, and this other blue wire. Great, it's gray, not blue. Anyway, headlights. The yellow wire off the handlebars goes to the white wire on the headlight, which I'm pretty sure is low beam, and then the blue wire from the handlebars goes to the blue wire, which is high beam. And then we have our green wire that comes off the headlight that goes to our solid brown ground. Yes. And yeah, brake light. It works now whether the bike's on or off. So, whatever. Horn works too. I'm not gonna undo this to show me, you, myself, because it's already together and I don't want to take it apart again. Anyway, I made this like aluminum heatsink hacksaw, and it's bolted to the other side of the inside of this. That has the 12 volt DC rectifier attached to it with some thermal paste. Hopefully it's fine. There's a lot of green wire in this. Green, brown, and red. Those, those are the three colors I had. 3 colors this time. The first time it was all one color, and then I did it with brown and red, and now I'm doing it with brown, red, and green. So it's leveled up. Anyway, some of this is ground wire. The brown wire from the DC rectifier that goes to the AC generator on here. There's 2 wires that are the AC generator on the engine that go to the rectifier. You have a brown wire that connects to, I don't know, a white-yellow. There's a white and a yellow, and they both connect to the rectifier with a green wire and a brown wire. And then there's the power, which is actually a red wire, and then a ground, which is a green wire. And then there's also a secondary charging port thing. I just shoved it up here because I didn't want to disconnect it. But it's in there. I think it charges. Maybe. We can see if it charges, I guess. Got 1270 here. Can I see that? Oh, I don't even know. Out of the shade. 1267. Oh, right. I have to turn it off, which is on now. I don't know what the issue is. I'm not going to think about it. I'm going to ride it and see if it works now. If it doesn't work, then it won't work.